Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to today, which is Thursday, October 25th of 2018. We have lots of different things happening today in the building, so here's some of our morning announcements. For our October birthdays, for today, we have Brogan White. So happy birthday to you, Brogan. I hope you have a great day. Also, our 5th grade will be on a field trip today. So enjoy your time at the field trip also. Make sure you show that Perry pride and make sure you're following our paws at all times. We do have Young Rembrandts happening after school today. And last but not least, we do have our PTCO Halloween dance that's happening on Friday at 6 o'clock till 7:30 in the gym. And also, boys and girls, I'm very proud to announce that the Rockford Ice Hogs were nice enough to donate some tickets for their upcoming games that they have. So I have 2 sets of 4 tickets that you can put your name in a raffle at the Halloween dance and possibly win tickets to go to one of the Ice Hogs games. For our lunch choices, we have mini corn dogs, ham melt, or fun on the run. And today we have 4th grade who will be talking about some things about bullying, and this will conclude our bullying week. And next week we'll move on to focusing on different things with paws.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, which we've been talking about bullying. We will do for pause different video things with bullying this week. So we have some 4th grade students here to talk about that.
Stand up to the bully. Have empathy for others, imagine if you were them. If somebody pushes you, help them and say stop to the bully.
All good things. Thank you very much, boys and girls. Great advice.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. You have your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Okay, it is Thursday. Let's go out there and let's have a great day. Let's make sure we show our Perry pride. 5th graders, make sure you do that at the Fine Arts today. And the rest of us, let's make sure we do that throughout the building. Let's have it a great day today. And remember, you make the choices. You decide to make it a great day.